Okay, so this is going to take up a lot of room, so I'm going to move this. So I will show you my other squishies first. So I have this beautiful strawberry. Also this beautiful strawberry. This is really soft. I have this really cool strawberry. So I have all these flavors. Then I have this jumbo panda face drawn bun thingy-majigger. That's very squishy. Super squishy. And next I have this panda bun. And it's very defective, so I'll show you the defects. So a lot around the ear, a lot around the face. It's like, oh my gosh, this is my squishy toy, and that means I squish it all the time. And I dig my nails in it a lot, as you can see, because I have really long nails. So yeah, this is very squishy. Love it! Sorry, because I'm doing this in my bathroom and my charger is here. Next is this Hello Kitty donut. I don't know, it's very rare. And I got this back in 2011. Yeah, KQ gave this as a gift. This is when we were kind of introduced to the squishy world. So yeah, it's really defected. Very defected. She peeled, my niece peeled a bunch right here. She also peeled right here, also you can see that. She also bit right here. So yeah, it's really defected. And we were supposed to, I can rip this in half, that's how bad it is. It's not as defected in the back, but yeah. So, there's that. Next I have this pink marshmallow, jumbo marshmallow, and it smells really good. Now it smells really good. It used to smell like nail polish, and now it smells really good, and I squished this a lot also, because it's so soft. But the person I tried this with, it was kind of a failed trade, so I don't think, next time I'll make them send first, or if I'm going to trade squishies, I'll make people send first. So this is from the same person, and it's a daisy one, and it has a slicing, and it did also smell like nail polish when it came, and it's defected around the bow and the beak. So yeah, but it's really soft too. Next is this Piglet Toast, and it is also very defected, from the same person. But yeah, it's really soft, I love it too. It won't, okay. Ew, listen to me. Okay. Next I have this Piglet Jumbo Piglet Head. You can see it, and it's also very soft. Also this nice and it comes with a simple strap, except the bottom. No, right there. Next I have this chocolate eclair. This is a really supposed to be from my best friend, but we got something, I got something for myself. Then I have this Disney Kiko. And it is kind of peeling off really. I got it like this. I noticed it right when I finished making the video. So. Then I also have this Disney hand from Defects, and it is Disney license from the bottom. And there's the also. I have this Minnie Mouse one. I have this Donald Duck one. Winnie the Pooh. Sorry, my phone's away. And then I have Mickey Mouse and Pluto. Oh, sorry, I almost had two. Then I have this defected 8 squishy. I was planning to, what's it called, fix this, but I'm too lazy. And my best friend has the other one, and my niece pulled this out. Then I have this Winnie the Pooh head. Squishy, very squishy, I like it. I have this very tiny teddy bear one. Don't lay right there. I have this other tiny teddy bear one. So yeah, so chill there. Then I have this Rilla Tumor donut, and it came in this packaging. And it was an extra from this seller, sorry, this person we bought from. And it came with this little shop, and then it's very different this one. So yeah. And then I have this Monster squishy. And we have this strawberry squishy. Very squishy. We actually had 2 of these, but one got lost. Oh, my niece lost it. We have this Kari steam bun. Then have this Hello Kitty donut. The Minnie Mouse unit head right there. And this is squishy. This is also very squishy. Then this is my first ever squishy. This is the Emotion Face one. And then have this My Melody Kiko. Very squishy, very soft, light green. Then we have this defected banana squishy. I don't know. So yeah, it's like this. So that is all the rare squishies. So here comes the rare squishies. The rare squishies. So this is, I don't know, this Jackie, this Flipper head, and this protection on the ears. And those are the patching, never taken out, original tag and everything. Sorry for all the crinkling noises. So very squishy. One piece pants on with fun, original tag, and also socks. It looks very much. So what am I doing, I guess, is move these up there. Voila, everything got moved. So now I can put my Rice Squishies up here to display. So next is this very defective Hello Kitty King Cup. And my niece got this from Kwailan. So it is not, it has like really big rips right here. And I'll tell you who did it. She did. She took it out of its packaging and then, yeah, never let a 4-year-old take Rice Squishies. So it is very squishy, you can see. There's no defects on the face or anything. But on the sides, yes. Next is this Chocolate Annie Claire, original type and packaging, still, very soft. Next is this Rubber Scoop Happy Bee Ice Cream. It's this one, oh sorry, it's this one. This is my favorite, I like this one. I love the color contrast as well. And they all are still in their original packaging, of course, so how dare you pick it up? Okay. It's so neat, the packaging is so I don't like taking my Rice Squishies out of this packaging at all. I don't know, it bothers me. When I see people do it, it bothers me. I don't know why, it just does. So, yeah, they all of these are all the same, never take out of this packaging, still original tiny, everything. I keep it very well. With my niece, I told my niece never take it out of this packaging. But since she bought the cream puff by herself, I told her what she could do whatever she wanted. But I bought this for her. Majority of all the Squishies I have in there I bought for her, so really, I tell her to keep safe. Well, especially the rare ones. So, and I also have this dessert. Yes, I love the package, as you can see. I'm like cooking everywhere here. So that's all of the package again. Now we have these third marshmallow one. It's very, very squishy. And then we have this manju dumpling, whatever. And it's very squishy, okay. Very squishy. It's been so long since I'm squishy, I'm sorry. Next is this Hello Kitty leopard, and so it's packaging, and it smells like soap. Very, very delightful soap, and very, very soft. So, next is this Kitty Kawaii toast. Very texture, very lovely, I love it. I love it, it has this tag, and it smells like cherries. Well, to me it smells like cherries, I don't know. Other people have different senses, so yeah, don't judge me. And then I have this key mushroom, and with this original tag. I don't know if this is like shock face, whatever, but this one? No, fall over. Okay, then I have this one is kawaii relaxing face, and it's very squishy also. This one is just tag. Okay, this one. Ooh, I got this one. I have this one also. And then next I have this Vita Kuma lemon, and it smells like lemon. It really does. Very, very strong smell of lemon. I never took out this packaging. Sticker tag. Sticker tag. I just read that thing. Okay. I love those things. And then it's this one. Right. It's this one. The sugar bun with a very, has a tag and then from my neck. And the sugar came off a lot. It used to be, the sugar part right here was like covered, like it was very covered, but now my niece got this packaging in. Yeah, it smells like butter. This smells like a really strong butter smell. And then this chocolate croissant, squishy. And in the box, it smells like chocolate and butter together. It's really like that though. And then Hello Kitty donut. We just got this today. I didn't tell her yet. I don't want to tell her. And so it's in this original tag. It has a tag and everything. And it has a sticker too. Sticker here. And then here. Oh my gosh, she just got this today. And I didn't squish it yet. I'll squish it right now. Oh, it's so sweet. Oh, I love it. I need to tell her tonight. I have this Sammy prototype. It was very adorable. Oh, Amy, I love this thing so much. Okay, I'll show you guys the proof of it too. So, here's the date of it, and then pause to read. Then we have this churro ball chain one also. This is one of my favorite squishies in the whole wide world. And it has a ball chain. Oh, it's food. And then it's like squishy also. Oh, like angels were singing. Did you hear them angels singing? I did. And next is also this churro ball chain. And it comes with button right there. And there's also very squishy from here. Here, angels are gonna sing. Whoa! So squishy! And now tissue cotton. It's the Raki, and it is Sanrio license and everything. Let's show you this. Peekapoo Hello Kitty winking at you. So yeah, I actually got this one a few days ago because KJ sent it separately. He doesn't like sending everything in a box because it costs more. That's what he tells me. So he like sent it separately from time to time. So yeah, let me give you an overview of it all. So I really think my collection is pretty small. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and please love us marshmallows. We are very lost and we need guidance. Oh, help us.